How to delete SafePal wallet. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Are you trying to manage your crypto wallet or clean up unused accounts? If yes, follow through the steps. First of all, launch open SafePal application on your device and sign in. Once you're inside the main homepage of your SafePal wallet, go ahead and tap on your wallet name at the top of the screen, and then from the My Wallets tab, click the three dots right next to the wallet you want to remove. Before you remove your wallet, make sure that you have backed up your seed phrases or your private keys. If you have not done that, tap on the three dots right next to the wallet and then go ahead and tap on Backup. Now click on Backup to iCloud or Backup manually option. Write down your backup phrases in a piece of a paper, and you can also export your private key if you want from the same menu. Once you have the backup, you can restore your SafePal wallet whenever you want if you change your mind. If you've already done that, click on Remove Wallet and then click on Delete. Now enter your security passcode for your wallet and you have successfully removed or deleted your wallet. That's how you do it. Nice and easy, isn't it? If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.